Good day everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this tutorial video guys, we will create addition of two numbers using Go or Golang programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters, subscribers in my channel who are always supporting my channel, especially my silent viewers. I would like to shout out Tom, a good friend of mine who is also a software engineer who is always helping our channel, Sir Ernil, Ma'am Robilin, Sir Daven, and Marshmallow. If you want to be shout out in my channel, please leave your name in the comment section and say shout out. So let's get started. So we have here several comments here. Addition.go. I wrote this program a year ago in my book about Go programming. So package main, import fmt for formatting, func main, and then I declare three variables, val1, val2, and sum that has a data type of integer. So fmt print, new line, title of a program, addition of two numbers in Go, new line here. And then here we are asking the user to give two numbers that will be stored in our variable val1 and val2. It is decimal. So sum equals open and close parentheses val1 plus val2, new line. The sum of val1 and val2 is sum, new line, and end of program, and then new line, and then we close our main function. There are so many similarities in C language, the Go or Golang programming language. If you have already an experience in C programming, your learning of Go is much easier. Okay, so let us go with the command prompt. So we want to run our program. So we have here is your command, go run space addition.go. Okay, so let us wait. Okay, addition of two numbers in Go. Enter two numbers. We have 5 and 7. The sum of 5 and 7 is 12. End of program. Another example. Okay, so 10 and 34. The sum of 10 and 34 is 44. End of program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video of addition of two numbers in Go programming language. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of this tutorial video for free in my two websites. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.